I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Have I got a great episode for you today? It's the perfect cornbread.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Even if you've made homemade cornbread, you've never made it like this before, and I'm gonna kick it up a notch with a couple extra things I'm gonna add at the end that I just kind of thought, hey, you know what? I'm gonna throw them in there. So I'm gonna throw them in there too. I'm gonna make it in this skillet, and it's gonna be bananas good at the end. So let's get going. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna set our oven to 400, and because we're cooking it in this cast iron skillet, one of my favorite things to use, I'm gonna wanna get this nice and hot. So I'm gonna pop this into the oven, and I'm gonna let that get nice and hot. In the meantime, let's make our cornbread. Like all things we need to bake, we need to get our dry ingredients together and our wet ingredients together separately. So let's start with the dry ingredients. All of the ingredients are in the description below along with the recipe. So go down there and check it out. Our cornmeal, we got our all-purpose flour, we have sugar. Now sugar, if you like your cornbread a little bit sweeter, use more sugar. If you like it a little bit less sweet, less sugar. I like mine a little bit sweet. Pinch of salt, baking soda, baking powder.
Stewie, I don't think that's right.
Baking powder. We're gonna take a whisk. It's gonna combine these. Get it all nice and mixed up. How's our oven doing? Getting there. Very nice. Set that aside. Gonna get going on our wet ingredients. We have a cup of milk. We got 1 stick of butter melted going in, and a couple of eggs. Now we're gonna whisk this together. I know what you're thinking. You got a whisk right there. You could have just used that whisk. Could have, but I didn't. And that's it for our wet ingredients. Just want to make sure I get everything combined in here. There we go. So we got our dry ingredients nice and mixed. We got our wet ingredients nice and combined. Now we're just gonna add our wet to the dry. But I'm not gonna whisk this because we don't wanna overmix this. If we want it to be soft, we want it to be fluffy, we want it to be delicious, you don't wanna over mix this. So we just wanna keep folding it till we get all of our ingredients combined. There we go. Stir it in, don't whisk it. The neighbor's dog is outside barking, setting off Brady inside. These dogs, I mean, all day with the barking. All day. All right, our oven is so close. Our cast iron pan is gonna be nice and hot. I'm happy with the way this is mixed. Take this off of here. There we go. Any second, that oven's gonna pop off. Ready? Come on. Told you. Oven's ready, which also means our cast iron pan that's been in there is also pretty hot too. So I think we're good to go. We're gonna make sure we're in frame, which we are. We're going to take a little bit of butter. I know, buddy. What are you barking at out there? And we're gonna melt a good amount of butter to the bottom of our pan. We're gonna go up the side so it doesn't stick. And this is gonna give it such a nice color on the bottom, which once we pop this out will be the top. There we go, pretty happy with that, pretty well coated. Don't want it to stick. That looks good. But before we pour this in, I've chopped up some, let me get this out of the way. Should have thought a little bit more ahead of time. I chopped up some jalapeno. I'm gonna put those in, probably not as many as I have. I'm just gonna fold these in. And I like to add a little bit of cheese to my cornbread too. I could have sworn I had a bunch of shredded cheddar in there. I do not, but I did find some Kobe cheese slices, so I chopped them up, diced them up into these perfect little squares. I'm gonna fold these in too. Yeah, now we're talking. There we go. Now we're ready to now we're ready to go in here. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna pour it right into our hot skillet. Got a little bit of a sizzle. I don't know if you can hear that or not. We're gonna wanna get all this into our pan. Just gonna move this around till we get it everywhere. Looks real good already. Bam, really happy with this. So let's get this into our 400-degree oven. Now I'm gonna leave that in there for 20 minutes. Actually, you know what? I'll probably check it after 18. And yeah, we'll take a look at it. So it'll only be a second to you. Okay, it's been about 18 minutes. Let's just take a quick look here and see what we got. Oh yeah, it's looking good. I don't think, I'm gonna give this 2 more minutes and we're gonna take it out. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Take a look at that. Now, I'm gonna do the toothpick test. I don't know, I already know it's fine. It's done. Oh yeah. It is done. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that little bit of butter that I have left over. Just gonna polish the top with it. Hey guys, maybe you can be quiet for 2 seconds. That is some sarcasm right there. Did you hear that?
It feels a little passive-aggressive.
Oh, shiny, absolutely delicious. And I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm not even gonna let it cool down because that's just how impatient I am. I'm gonna cut a little piece out of this and we're gonna take a look at it. I don't know why I'm cutting it like a pie, but I am. Oh, it's gonna come right out of there. Oh, baby. Check the bottom. Oh, the bottom's perfect too. It's perfect. It is perfect. Let's, you know what? Let's just taste it. Let's see how this is. I wish I had just a tiny little piece of butter left, but I don't. I put it all on the top. Ooh, a little bit of a cheese pull in there. We got our jalapeno. You know what? It's super hot, so I'm gonna take a second. I'm gonna get myself just a tiny little piece of butter on there. Really take it to the next level. As you know, this is my favorite part. Not the butter, the tasting of the cornbread. Ooh, what a perfect little bite. Whoa. Wow, we really nailed it. It's not dry. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. I got a little jalapeno in there, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of melted butter on top. Oh my God, it's so delicious. The only thing I wish I had is some bacon. I would have baked it off, chopped it up, thrown it in there. That just would have been the absolute pinnacle. I didn't have any bacon. Sorry. Too bad for me, too bad for you. It's delicious, look. In the upcoming months, you're gonna have a barbecue. Any reason you need to make this cornbread, make this cornbread. Super easy, super simple, super delicious. Now look, YouTube's got a video right here, just for you. They want you to check it out, so check that out next. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, let me know anything, and get ready to watch this video. And once you're done doing all that, go cook something.